Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to enable background data on Gmail, so your app can stay up to date even when you're not actively using it. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head over to the Settings menu. You can usually find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the Apps option. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, locate the Gmail app in the list. It might take a moment to find it, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, give it a tap to open up the app settings for Gmail. Now that you're in the Gmail settings, look for the Mobile Data option and tap on it. This section controls how Gmail uses your mobile data. Finally, you'll see an option that reads Allow Background Data Usage. Make sure to turn this setting on. This will allow Gmail to receive emails and notifications even when you aren't actively using the app. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your Gmail app stays updated and you never miss an important email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks.